Hi fellas, how's it going? Today we are going to create our website and public on .onion using Tor, and our server it's gonna be the Raspberry Pi. In my case it's the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, as you can see. And there is it. So why am I using it to public the web server? It's because the power source in my case it's the 5 volts and just 1 ampere. It's so little energy to consume, and you can make it on and you don't need to worry about the energy it does consume. So we are going to install 2 tools, Tor and the Nginx, with the advanced package tools. It's based on Debian, so every time you upgrade and update your Linux, you will take the last version of that. I have already installed it on my computer, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. Sudo apt install tar, and the same thing but for the Nginx. Now we need to make some configuration on the tar.c file, and we are going to use vim. There's it. I am in the file we need to change. We need to remove the hash from the hidden servers directory and the hidden service port. So we need, in the vim, we need to start pressing I, and we are unable to remove the hash. After that you press ESC colon Q, no, W and Q, and you press enter. Let's see if we have, there is it, the change it is on. And now we are going to create our index.html, but I would like, I will make one basic just for show you guys how it's going on, but you gotta know the basic and the professional website. The way to public it is the same way, and it doesn't matter. I'm just trying not to extend this video, so let's make some index.html very simple. If you have installed the Visual Studio Code, it's good for you because we can work correctly with the indentations. And so let's create our index.html. We can use the tools of the VS Code. Type in HTML colon 5. There is it. And now we are going to create just in the body to show us in the website. I'm going to type here on the H2, it's our web server from the Raspberry Pi. Now we are going to public the index.html on inside the Raspberry Pi, and we need to copy it. Ctrl C, and inside there we are going to the directory var www.html. There is it. So now we are going to public the we are going to create the index.html with nano, and we are click with the right button, and it's going to paste. Now we press Ctrl O, and press enter, and then Ctrl X. Let's see with cat if it's alright, and there is it. It's just to show you guys that how to public the website, but you can make it very professional and use the skills of you interested. Like in the backend you can use the PHP and use the framework Laravel, and with Python you can use the framework like Flash and Django and so on. There is many of those to explore it. And then there is it. The Nginx is the server we are using on the Raspberry, and if you want to know, it's already published, but in my case it's the .10, and if you press enter, there is it. There is our page, but it is public on my server in my home. Now we are going to communicate with the Tor and create the .onion. So now we are going to take our host name on the Tor file, and we need to go to there in root mode, because in the other end user mode the access is going to be denied. So sudo su, and we are going to access the link, so we need to use the cat. It is to see what is inside the file. So there is it, cat, and we go to var lib tor hidden service hostname, press enter. There is it, our onion link, and we copy it, we double click on it, then we click with the right button, and we have copied already. So we exit the root mode. I'm going to restart the Nginx and the Tor. Using the systemctl restart Nginx and restart the Tor. Okay, now we need to install the browser Tor, and we need to paste the link over there and see what happened. Let's open the Tor browser, connect, and we paste the link over here. It probably won't work because in my case here probably it's conflict with the 18 port. So what we're gonna do, it's very simple, there's no problem. if you cross with this problem, it will be very useful to see how to fix it. So you come back to Raspberry Pi sudo lsof -i and you colon 18. There is the port your Raspberry Pi is listing, so you kill it. Sudo kill -9, it's a brute force, and you take any of this port PID and the rest will be reset either. If you go again, the 18 port isn't be used anymore, and we need to restart again the engine X, and we start again the Tor. And if we can come here, we press to log in again. And there is it. There is our web server on the .onion, and if you come back here and listen the 18 port, you can see it established from the Tor using the PID 1447 Debian Tor. And there is it, fellas. We just public our website using the Raspberry Pi with very low power source and with 5 volts and 1 ampere, and I can make it on, and no need to worry about the energy it does consume because it's very little. If you liked the video, thumbs up, make your comment, subscribe, and further on I will create our web server with the Raspberry Pi using the .con instead of the .onion. Okay fellas, tata for now.